It's 10 a.m. right now. We're about to go kayaking.
Which is early for us.
Dude, the way my dad taught me how to swim was he just like put me out in the deep end and just like figure it out. Yeah.
That's how my cousins learned. Like they literally threw them like.
Feels like the summer of 16. I was broke, felt rich cause you're with me. Had our best moments when we getting tipsy. And I gotta spend the weekdays away from you cause you in school working hard trying to make it through. And girl, I know we got some trust issues, but I always put my trust in you. So we kiss one time, I won't feel the same way. We should have a fire, you know, at the same place. Both grown now and we on the same page. I will hold you the same way.
I'm honestly good at parallel parking.
Oh!
It's 12:30. We're walking back to the car, but we're gonna get Dawn's with CW, president of Texas TASA.
That's like that's a hood squirrel. Dude, that was from the Bronx.
Y'all will be in the vlog.
I was like, I don't know which camera to stare at.
There's a lot of
Yeah.
I feel a lot of pressure. Represent the entire country right
Taiwanese food.
Youtiao.
Hey, we got our food.
Oh, very nice.
Hey. How's the food?
Solid food.
Solid.
Just wanna vibe like we used to. I wanna kiss it 3 times like I used to. But I just wanna do the things that we used to.
I don't know about that, bro. 600 views? That's too much.